What's the meaning of bullet point? Bullet point. Bullet point.
Bullet point. Bullet point. A bullet point is a typographical symbol, often a small black dot or other symbol, used to highlight key information in a list format. The purpose of using bullet points is to make information easier to read and understand by breaking it down into clear and concise points. Bullet points are commonly used in resumes, presentations, and instructional materials where information needs to be conveyed quickly and efficiently. By using bullet points, the reader can quickly identify important information and easily navigate through the text. Overall, bullet points are an effective way to present information in a clear and organized manner.